If we need to take a measurement to find out the length of an object or the angle between two objects, simply activate the measuring tape tool in the 2D graphics menu. With the line command selected, we can now easily perform a linear measurement. Taking advantage of the intersection points, we can easily specify the start and end point to take the measurement. An initial click sets the start point of the measurement, and by moving on to the second point, we can already see the measurement on screen. With an additional click, the measurement is now also shown in the last measurement field. This very same procedure can also be used when needing to take linear measurements in the 3D view too, once again using the intersection points. The list here on the side shows all of the measurements taken so far, and where the letter L identifies linear measurements, whereas A and G identifies angle measurements.